Namaste, yogis. Thank you for joining. I am the Black Yogi Adi. I'm rocking my Prana is Precious tee. Shout out to all of you who purchased any of the Black Yogi apparel. You mean the world to me. Thank you. I love seeing all of your photos, and I love seeing you smile and look magical in your Black Yogi apparel. Don't stop shining. Today we'll enjoy a flow in the rainforest. Enjoy the sounds, enjoy the nature, just enjoy yourself. Do what you can, modify, and do what you can, modify anything for any postures, modify any postures that don't necessarily correlate with your body in this moment in your practice. Respect your body, respect your practice. So don't do anything that is painful. In yoga, we ask you to breathe into discomfort and back out of pain. Some things that we practice might be uncomfortable, but breathe into that space. If it becomes painful, back out of that space, right? So with this awareness, let's begin. Starting at the very front of your mat, rub your hands together at your heart center. Let's tune in and set some intentions for today's practice. Placing the thumbs at the heart center, take a big inhale deeply. Exhale out. We'll do this 2 more times. Inhale deeply. And exhale out. Last time. Inhale deeply. And exhale out. Good. Allow your hands to come down by your side. Inhale, roll your shoulders up. Exhale, back and down. Inhale, rolling them up. Exhale, back and down. Inhale, roll them up. Exhale, back and down. On your next inhale, lift your arms. Interlace your fingers and turn your palms up to the sky. Stretch up. Inhale, come on your tippy toes. Exhale, come down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come down. Last time. Inhale, come up. Be there for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, come down. Allow your hands to come down. Good. Inhale, bring your arms out. Exhale, twist. Allowing your right hand to come over your left shoulder. Your left arm comes behind. Looking, stretching. Inhale, twist center. Exhale, opposite side. Breathing deeply. And inhale, bring your body back center. Good. Exhale, release. We're going to take an inhale. Step our right leg back. Pivot our left foot forward. Open up to a wide stance, right? Be sure not to lock your knees. Inhale, reach the arms out. Lengthen through the spine. Exhale, come down to the left foot. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come down to the right foot. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come down. 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 Inhale, coming up. Exhale, coming down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last time, inhale up. This time we exhale down on both feet. Good, and we'll be here for 3, 2, 1, and inhale, slowly come up. Catch your waist, lengthen your spine. Breathe deeply. Good. On your next inhale, lengthen, open your arms. Exhale, clasp them behind your waist, interlacing the fingers. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, forward fold. If this is not comfortable for your body, feel free to grab your elbows or take a towel or a strap and place in between your hands. Breathe deeply. Be sure not to lock your knees. Inhale and exhale out. And inhale, slowly bring your body up. Exhale, release the arms. Pivot the feet. Good. And step forward to the front of your mat. Inhale, bend the right knee again. Step the right leg back, coming into a lunge. So have your heels up. If you need to, drop that knee down. That's perfectly fine. If you need to, place a blanket under that knee. That's also perfectly fine. Keeping the left knee bent at a 90-degree angle. Inhale, lifting the arms. Engage in your back leg. Engage in your glutes. Breathing deeply. Inhale and exhale out. Inhale and exhale out. Inhale and exhale out. Inhale, straightening that front leg, stepping the left leg forward. Exhale, release the hands down. Good. Let's try our left leg. Inhale, bending the left knee. Step the left leg back, coming into a lunge, right? Right knee is bent. Feel free to drop that knee down and place a blanket underneath. Keeping the toes curled. Inhale, lifting. Inhale and exhale out. Engaging in the glutes. Engaging in the legs. Inhale in and exhale out. And on your next inhale, inhale. Step forward, exhale, release the hands down. Good. Bending the right knee, step the right leg back. I'm going to do some pulsing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good. Stepping that foot, the right foot forward, lowering the hands down. We'll go left, bend the left knee, step the left foot back, coming into a lunge. Inhale the arms up, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and inhale, stepping forward, exhale, coming down and releasing down. Shake out your legs a little bit. If you can feel the burn, that's good. That's great. Bringing your feet together, feet touching. Inhale, bend the knees. Bring the arms back and sweep the arms up, finding your chair posture. Exhale, bending the knees, forward fold. Inhale, half lift, gazing at the tip of your nose. Exhale, place your hands down on the mat, spreading your fingers wide. Step back into the plank position. Exhale, lower down. Inhale up. Exhale, tucking the toes, pushing into the downward dog. Again, from the Chaturanga Dandasana. From here, you can drop your knees, chest and chin. Inhale to lift the body. Exhale, come onto all fours, tuck the toes, and then push your way into downward dog. Whichever is most comfortable for you and in your body. This is about you and your body, your practice. Breathe deeply. Inhale and exhale out. Allow your gaze to be at your navel center. On your next inhalation, bend the right knee. Step the right foot forward. Pivot the left foot out. On an inhale, lift your arms. On an exhale, open up. On an inhale, bring your left arm behind and right arm comes up. Exhale, placing your right hand down next to your foot. Left arm comes up. Inhale, placing those hands down. Step that foot back, coming into the plank. Exhale, lower down. Inhale to upward facing. Exhale to downward facing. Again, if you need to, your downward dog can look like this. Balasana, child's pose. Whatever you need to do to make your practice comfortable for you and your body. No judgment. It's a judgment-free zone. Pushing your way into the downward dog. Inhale, bend the left knee. Step the left foot forward. Pivoting the right foot out. Check in. Is your heel aligned with the arch of the back foot? If it is, then great. If not, make some adjustments. Inhale, lifting the arms. Exhale, open up. Inhale, lifting the left arm. Right arm comes behind. Exhale, left arm comes to the ground. Right arm comes up. Inhale, placing that hand down. Stepping the feet back, coming into the plank. Drop the knees, chest and the chin. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. Feel free to bend your knees as much as you need to.